The Westfield Washington School District is warning parents tonight after a student in the district tested positive for whooping cough.
4 buildings in the district sent out emails to parents asking them to be on alert. Fox 59's Jenny Drasler spoke with the district and has their message for parents.
Parents at Westfield High School, Westfield Middle School, Westfield Intermediate, and Oak Trace Elementary were all sent alerts notifying parents of a possible case of whooping cough or pertussis at their school. Westfield Washington School District officials said there is one confirmed case of whooping cough in the district, but would not specify which school so as not to identify the student. Officials say they found out about it Monday and alerted parents Tuesday.
As soon as the health department reached out to us, we started taking immediate steps into notifying who needs to be notified and to identifying the people that we need to get involved. And our nurses and our staff has been at it around the clock to try to make sure that this situation has been taken care of appropriately.
It's unclear if the student was vaccinated for pertussis. Joshua Andrews, the Westfield Washington School District Director of Communications, says the student will be isolated for 5 days.
Symptoms tend to show between 7 and 10 days after exposure, but that could also go up to 21 days.
According to the CDC, whooping cough can affect anyone but can be more serious in babies under 12 months old. Initial symptoms of whooping cough are similar to a common cold and may include runny or stuffy nose, mild cough, and low-grade fever. After a week or two, the cough becomes more severe with a high-pitched whoop sound. The CDC says the DTaP vaccine can prevent or lessen the severity of the illness. In Indiana, all students aged pre-K through 12th grade are required to get the vaccine. In the meantime, Westfield Washington Schools is asking parents to keep a close eye on their kids.
Since we got notified on Monday, we're kind of saying from now until spring break, families should be on the lookout for any symptoms like that.
In Westfield, Jenny Drasler, Fox 59 News.
Jenny, thank you.